Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello, pond keepers. In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen levels in your fish pond. Maintaining proper dissolved oxygen is crucial for your aquatic friends. Oxygen is essential for fish to breathe and for beneficial bacteria to break down waste, keeping your pond healthy. When oxygen levels drop, fish become stressed and vulnerable to illness. Ideally, you want to see levels between 5 and 10 parts per million for a thriving environment. Before you even test, your fish might give you clues about low oxygen. Look for them gasping at the surface, especially in the early morning, or congregating near waterfalls and aerators. They might also appear sluggish, lose their appetite, or exhibit unusual swimming patterns. Additionally, a strong, foul odor from your pond or a sudden increase in algae can signal that oxygen levels are too low. To get precise measurements, you have a couple of reliable options. Chemical test kits, often using a modified Winkler method, are an affordable way to get accurate results through titration. For faster, more frequent checks, a digital dissolved oxygen meter with a probe is excellent. Remember to take your samples from deeper water, at least 2 feet down, because oxygen levels are usually much higher at the surface due to atmospheric exchange. For the most accurate picture of your pond's health, consistency is key. Test your oxygen levels regularly, particularly during hot summer months or after significant weather changes. The best time to measure is just before sunrise, as oxygen levels are at their lowest point then. Strive to maintain at least 6 milligrams per liter of dissolved oxygen to ensure your fish and beneficial bacteria have plenty of oxygen to thrive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.